Creative leaders see opportunity to solve problems and imagine a world that others don't. The top 52 creative leaders. Innovation, vision, progressiveness, originality, and resourcefulness are all characteristics of successful creative leaders. Creativity was ranked the most important leadership quality for success in business. This is why here at Skilltivity, we have compiled and curated the top 52 creative leaders today.
Next up on the list is number 42, Pam L. She's the CMO, Chief Marketing Officer of the NBA. She's a great marketer and is here on this list at number 42 for modernizing the NBA on a global scale. Let's check it out.
Everybody, give it up for 2015 ad color legend, Pam L.
So I walked in with my advertising degree under my arm as a secretary in my first advertising agency. And I did that because I had a mentor who said, if you are good, they will promote you, you will do well, you will get what you want. And I'm telling you guys, it wasn't easy then and it's not easy now. So take that degree, take that passion you have, and go do the things that you want to do, because nobody else is gonna do it for you.
My number one sponsor is a person that's been my sponsor / mentor for years. He ran an agency in Richmond, Virginia. I worked for him for the first 5 years of my career. We had a moment together, kind of like what Vita did, where he, unbeknownst to me, he turned down a piece of business because they didn't want me on the business. Wow. And I didn't know it. And then after he turned it down, he called me in and said, "E, let me tell you what happened. They didn't want you on the business. And if they didn't want you, then they didn't want me." That was our moment. This guy was named Peter Cowder. He was president of Sedell Madison Cowder. He was tall, like 6'4", white, Irish. And I'm not. And I left that agency. And when I left that agency and went on to the next agency, that's when Peter became my sponsor. And he was my sponsor for the next 20, 25 years. That's how long we have stayed connected. By the way, since that point, where Peter hired me and trained me and became my sponsor, I've now hired him 3 or 4 times to train people and do presentation skills and to help me hire agencies and to help me do things. So it works both ways. Yeah. But you don't have to have a sponsor who looks like you and acts like you. You need someone that's going to help you and that you can help. It is not a one-way street.
Pamela L. has been named as the new Chief Marketing Officer for the NBA, for the National Basketball Association. First African-American, first woman to achieve that title, and very exciting for her, and exciting for the NBA. They haven't filled this position in almost 15 years. Wow. It was the 1990s when the last time that somebody held that position. Pamela L., outstanding career. She was at State Farm Insurance for a long time. Really, really sharp woman, and she's really setting a standard that's really high. Kudos for her.
Great to have Pam L on this list. She's inspiring a lot of not just women, but just marketers and creative leaders in general to really reach those highest pinnacles of the marketing profession and in the business world. Thank you for watching Skilltivity's Top 52 Creative Leaders. And as you follow our curated list, I provided a resource for you. And it's to help you develop your own creative leadership skills. It's called The Ultimate Guide to Creative Leadership Success. And you can get it for free by clicking on the link below in the description of this video. Also, please subscribe to Skilltivity. We got videos coming, and you want to make sure to follow us as we keep going on this journey. Hit the bell to get notifications of new videos that come. Just know that Skilltivity, we're here to help you move forward in advancing your creative skills. We're always aiming for that. So from me to you, from Carrington to you, see you soon.